Hey there, Danielle Smith here, team leader with Keller Williams Realty Central Delaware, and I am joined with Bobby Jones and Nicole Potts from CMG Financial.
Hi.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about forbearance and what's going on right now in our world. So, Bobby, share a little bit with us about forbearance.
Forbearance is designed to put mortgage payments on hold for people who need it. People out of work, people who are not receiving any income right now, unemployment, any type of a substance when it comes to income. It's designed for that. And actually what it does is it puts your mortgage payments sort of on hold. It doesn't mean that you're not responsible for them ultimately later. It just depends on the terms of the agreement with your current mortgage company.
Okay.
But it's not designed for people who are still working, people who are on fixed income and have the same income. It's not designed for that. It's designed to help the needy.
Okay. And so, if someone were interested in taking forbearance, what would that look like? Who would they
Um,
contact?
Yeah, you contact your present mortgage company. They are inundated with a lot of calls. I actually sat and talked to someone that worked for a large bank last night. She stopped over my home and she was telling me about what they're going through right now. And if you call and apply for it, generally because they don't have time to verify that you qualify for it because you're out of work, they okay it. But what you have to understand is if you get okayed for a forbearance, it doesn't mean that the payments go away. It means that either you owe them at the end of the period, you owe them at the back end of the loan, or somewhere in between when we come out of this and the end of your mortgage or when you pay it off, you still are going to owe those skipped payments.
Right. So we were talking a little bit about some things that you had been notified of by a past client, right?
Yeah.
Regarding forbearance. Yeah.
Mhm.
Can you share a little bit about that?
We saw the word forbearance on their mortgage statement, I do believe it was. We're doing a loan for them. And she said she's never called them. She's never inquired about forbearance. Nothing. She didn't even know what we were talking about. Um, and she had received an email from her mortgage company, which she clicked on to see what it was about. She didn't understand it, so she got out of it. They automatically approved her for forbearance, like without her even knowing it. Another thing that the guidelines came down just last night, that this forbearance, if you don't need it, please don't do it. Fannie and Freddie and FHA, VA, and USDA are coming down with guidance on if you're in forbearance, you may not qualify for a new mortgage for, and they haven't determined the time frame yet, for possibly a year out of forbearance, which is huge.
Yeah.
If you're looking to purchase a home in the next year and you went into it, you may not be able to purchase. There is going to be a time frame before you can purchase
Okay.
again
That's helpful
or
to know.
refining. Mhm.
Yeah. Um, Anything else that you want to share around this topic?
Just be careful. If you don't need the forbearance, please don't do it. If you have a savings, use your savings to make your mortgage payments. This should be honestly a last resort for anyone to do. If you have done it and you're watching this video, please reconsider and maybe pull out of it if you can.
Okay. All right. So if anyone had any questions about the home buying process and getting started or refinancing, how can they get in touch with you guys?
You could call Nicole or I. Our general number is 302-608-0202. That will come directly to me. Nicole's number is 302-346-4081. That will come directly to her. I'm sorry. I just know my own. Um, And you can call us if you're already in a forbearance, if you have any questions about forbearance, call one of us because we are very well, we're getting knowledgeable about it in the last couple of weeks, that's for sure.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time today, Bobby and Nicole. Have a
Thank you. Call us if you need us.